Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I'm going to do a little walkthrough of my Mashup mini album that I went ahead and made a second time using Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection. And I also used the Coordinating Solids pack. So I did some stitching around just the portions that are my covers. So I went ahead and used one of these little Tim Holtz things as well, so I can put a little beaded charm on here. But I just love this paper. This green is just fabulous. It's so springy. So I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous piece of paper here that is just layered up with the flowers and the camera and stuff. And again, all the text that's in here that's layered is just pretty. So I wanted to use up this collection. So you can check out my website for the walkthrough with the 49 in Market paper that I used previously and the tutorial that follows in that video. This was available. I picked all of this up from countrycraftcreations.com, and I'm not sure if they still have some of this paper collection available, but I did use the gray Artisan Cardstock. I love using the Artisan Cardstock. It's very nice to work with. It burnishes nicely, folds extremely well, and is quite durable. So we have a flip here. I used some of the cut apart collection for these stamps. I used a couple. This has the double stacked pockets, and I put some of the cut aparts in here. These are some of the tag collection. So you can see I just went ahead and folded that up like so. Made a little tuck spot here for photos, little booklet, and some more of the cut aparts. This is 3 pages in total, and then each of them have a flap up to the top, which then goes to the right, and I left this open for photos. And then also same thing on the bottom, that you flip it down, and then you have this space here as well. So I did that one, and then it has a pull out on it as well. So you can pull this out, and it has a large place in it for photographs and journaling, that kind of thing. And that just goes in the side since it is a pocket page. So each of the 3 are a pocket page for those large photos, and then there is a pocket on the back side of the page. So again, I just made a little spot for journaling and photos. Second page, same thing. I'll just show you the paper collection. It's just gorgeous. I used the white Artisan there on the bottom. Pulled out some of my punches and used those and ragged, I don't know if you call it, you tear up the edges of the paper to stress it, I guess. And I left this open for a little tuck spot here as well. So I can work just like so. And the bottom, there is the bottom. Layered up some more of the cardstock, used some of my stickers. This is the pull out here, back side. Again, just open for journaling and photographs. Put this back in the pocket page, turn that over, and now you have another pocket on the back side here, some journaling spots and photograph. And again, I just used some of the white Artisan for this. Here's some of the cut aparts that I layered those up as well. And then you have more journaling tags. This comes with a whole sheet of journaling tags to use. And I have this as the flip out, like that, layered here with the flip out. So this is matching, just like that. Okay, this is the pull out here. Open that up. That's the back side. And this one goes right into that pocket page. Flip it over, and here's your last pocket on the back side of that 3rd page. These are some of the cut aparts. Go in there, and then again, another photo mat. It's just so pretty. back side of the inside cover, I have this flap, so I just did some layering here as well, used one of my punches, open it up like so, went ahead and used another one of the cut aparts, and then I just glued this down on 3 sides so that it's like a little side pocket, and can stick another couple of the tags in there. And then this is just a little fold out, like so, and like so. And I'm just using a clip to hold it shut. So that is the back of my album. And I hope you have enjoyed this. Like I said, check out the tutorial that I have, and I hope to see some of your projects soon. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting, you all. Bye.